DJI is reportedly preparing to unveil its Osmo Action 6 on November 18th, just days after the anticipated launch of the DJI Neo 2 drone. This information comes directly from DJI's own teaser campaign, which highlights a variable aperture camera, likely belonging to the Osmo Action 6. What truly distinguishes this model from previous generations is the rumored inclusion of a variable aperture lens. While most action cameras use a fixed aperture, the Osmo Action 6 is said to offer an adjustable range between f2.0 and f4.0. This would be a major leap forward for content creators and outdoor adventurers, allowing finer control over lighting conditions. With a variable aperture, users can manage exposure more effectively, reducing overexposure in bright sunlight or improving clarity in low light settings. This kind of optical control is typically reserved for DSLRs, mirrorless cameras, or high-end smartphones. Bringing it to a compact action camera would mark a rare and impressive technical advancement, potentially setting a new standard for the category. In terms of design and hardware, the Osmo Action 6 is expected to be a significant upgrade from the Osmo Action 4 and Action 5 Pro. Leaks suggest it could feature a 1.1-inch CMOS sensor, notably larger than its predecessors. A larger sensor directly translates to improved low-light performance, greater dynamic range, and more detailed imagery. Whether you're capturing sunrise hikes, underwater scenes, or night cityscapes, this sensor size should yield sharper visuals with less noise and better color accuracy. DJI has consistently prioritized image quality, and this rumored upgrade continues the trend, bringing its compact cameras closer in capability to full-sized mirrorless systems, 8K recording, and enhanced stabilization. Another headline feature is the possibility of 8K video recording at 30 frames per second, a dramatic step up from the 4K and 5.3K limits of earlier models. While 8K may seem excessive for everyday use, it provides creators with extra flexibility in post-production. The ability to crop, stabilize, or zoom into footage without sacrificing clarity is invaluable for professional editing. Additionally, as 8K displays and streaming options become more common, early adopters will benefit from future-ready content. Combined with DJI's industry-leading rock-steady and horizon-balancing stabilization, the Osmo Action 6 could deliver exceptionally smooth, cinematic shots even during high-speed or high-motion activities. For vloggers, extreme sports athletes, and travel filmmakers, this combination could be a true game-changer. According to early reports, the Osmo Action 6 may launch at around $329, slightly below the $349 price tag of the current Osmo Action 5 Pro listed on Amazon. If accurate, this pricing strategy makes sense. DJI appears to be positioning the Action 6 as a feature-rich yet accessible option that appeals to both professionals and hobbyists. Priced competitively against GoPro's latest models, many of which now exceed $400, the Osmo Action 6 could attract creators looking for premium performance without breaking the bank. By offering high-end capabilities at a lower cost, DJI would also strengthen its foothold in the action camera market, challenging longtime leader GoPro and innovative rivals like Insta360. Strategic launch amid DJI's expanding ecosystem. The rumored November release aligns perfectly with DJI's busy product rollout schedule. Recently, the company unveiled its first robot vacuum under the new Romo series, introduced the Osmo Mobile 8 gimbal internationally, and is gearing up to release the Neo 2 drone globally in mid-November. This surge of product activity signals that DJI is strategically targeting the holiday season, appealing to tech enthusiasts, travelers, and content creators eager for upgrades. Launching multiple innovative devices within a short period also helps reinforce DJI's reputation as a multifaceted tech brand. No longer just a drone manufacturer, but a creator-focused ecosystem provider. While the Osmo Action 6's rumored specs sound exciting, none of this information has been officially confirmed by DJI. The reports originate from insider leaks and early teasers, and sources like The New Camera have clarified that they couldn't independently verify the claims. Still, given DJI's predictable release cycle and the competitive pace of the action camera market, these leaks seem plausible. DJI's previous Osmo Action models have earned strong reputations for reliability, build quality, and imaging performance. So, expectations for the 6th iteration are naturally high. If the leaks hold true, the Osmo Action 6 could represent the most substantial leap forward in the lineup since the Osmo Action 4. The combination of a larger sensor, variable aperture, and 8K video capability could make this model stand out in a crowded market. These enhancements would give creators more control over exposure, depth of field, and image texture, traits usually absent in compact action cams. Photographers and filmmakers who crave creative control without switching to bulkier systems might find the Action 6 ideal. A variable aperture would let them adapt to changing light instantly, from bright mountaintop scenes to dim underwater settings, without relying solely on ND filters or post-editing fixes. Such flexibility could make the Osmo Action 6 especially appealing to travel vloggers, outdoor explorers, and cinematic storytellers, who often demand lightweight gear capable of adapting to unpredictable conditions. As with any pre-launch speculation, the final product could differ from what's been leaked. DJI may limit 8K recording to specific modes or introduce other notable improvements instead, like extended battery life, better waterproofing, or AI-assisted shooting features that enhance exposure, framing, and color balance automatically. DJI's continued focus on software refinement, such as improved color science, intelligent horizon correction, and faster connectivity, would likely ensure that the Osmo Action 6 delivers not only better specs, but also a smoother user experience overall. Even though the DJI Osmo Action 6 hasn't been officially confirmed, it's already shaping up to be one of the most anticipated action cameras of the year. If it truly launches with a 1.1-inch sensor, variable aperture, and 8K recording at an attractive price of $329, it could redefine what creators expect from compact cameras. The rumored features point to a device that blends professional-level versatility with consumer-friendly accessibility, a combination that could make it a bestseller during the upcoming holiday season. For vloggers, travelers, and outdoor adventurers, the Osmo Action 6 might soon become the ultimate go-to camera for capturing life's most dynamic moments. Now, all eyes are on DJI's official announcement, expected around November 18th to 19th, to see whether these rumors hold true. If they do, the action camera market may be in for one of its biggest shakeups yet.